today I am going to be showing us how to set up our smartwatch using Hryfine app. First thing we need to do is to head over to our Play Store. I'm already in Play Store, and then you search for the Hryfine app, which is Hryfine. Here you click on it. This is the application here, the Hryfine app, and then you click on install. The installation is going to take a while. So our application has downloaded, and then the next thing we need to do now that it's downloading is to turn on our smartwatch. Good. Click on this to open. Now it is going to ask us for user privacy. Ensure to agree to every of the pop-up that is going to give while setting up this application. So here we are going to click on the agree. Now ensure to allow the Hryfine to access your physical activities. Allow Hryfine to access your phone call logs. Allow Hryfine to access your contacts. Allow Hryfine to find, connect, and determine relative position of nearby devices. Allow Hryfine to send you notifications. Allow Hryfine to make and manage phone calls. Allow Hryfine to send and view SMS messages. Allow. So all these you must allow. Ensure to click on this dot. Ensure to click on it, and then you can now click on the Gmail. Now I am going to select the application, the email I want to use to set up this smartwatch. I just select it now. Okay, so just confirm. Ensure to keep this secured. You just screenshot for future use and all that. I confirm. Click on confirm. Hint: please take good care of your account and password. If you lose it, you may not be able to retrieve it. So ensure to keep your account safe. Confirm. And here you can just fill in your details, your nickname and all that. Shop around. Okay. Ensure to fill in your data correctly, your nickname, sex, birth, height, weight. Ensure to fill in them correctly. Once you're done filling them, you click on confirm here, and it will bring you to this window. Just click on the back here. Just click on that to take you back. It's asking you to enable usage permission, otherwise the message push notification can't be used. So you just go to click on set, and then we downloaded this is our application here. You just click on the application, and then you click on this, and then based on your device it might not open up this window, but if you open up this window, ensure to click on here and then OK, and then you click here, click here again. We are back to the home screen. Then you come down to the me, sorry. Now you're on the me, click on search device. Now, in the process of use, this application needs to access location permission and nearby equipment permissions for scanning and connecting Bluetooth device. Now we have to click on allow, come to our apps permission, click on your apps permission, then you come down to your location, click on the location to grant it, click on allow while using the app. Okay, and then come back and click on search device again. Now our Bluetooth, endeavor to turn on your Bluetooth otherwise it will ask you to turn it on. So I'll just click on allow. Now it is searching for, it has found our smartwatch, the Ultra 2. You click on the smartwatch. Click on the smartwatch. This is our smartwatch. Make sure to click on it. You click on it. It is connecting. Device connected successfully. Now it has asked you to please pay attention. Please turn on application self-launch permission to ensure the stability of the device connection during use. Now, this particular application, this connection usually come up pair. Usually this pop-up that comes up usually come up automatically. In case it does not, you'll have to go to your Bluetooth and then search for the device, but it came up automatically, so you have to connect, and then the connection is quite so successful. But our smartwatch is successfully set up. So we are going to look into our device settings. Come to your settings to, let me see on finding smartwatch. Click on find smartwatch. You can see our device is connected. Now let us look for message notifications. Click on message notifications. Now you see that our message notifications are all turned on. So whenever we have any of these notifications from this, you will receive it. But you can decide to turn off the notification that you do not want. Me, I does not want to receive my Facebook notification, so I'm going to turn it off. I don't want this. I don't want this. I'll just leave this for now. So just confirm and then leave the home page. Okay, so you can set up a whole lot of things from here. Your sedimentary reminder, your phone book, remote control selfie, sleep monitoring, automatic heart rate measurement, do not disturb mode. I like using the 24-hour system, so I'll just use the 24-hour system. Yes, you can decide to put it on a power saving mode, all right, just so your device is maximized properly. So let's go to other forms of setting we need to make. The dial settings to add picture on our smartwatch. Okay, you click on this DYI dial, and then you click on select picture. Click on select picture, then you click on select picture, then allow. It is going to open up to your gallery. Let me use one of these smartwatches as my I think let me just use this. What should I use? Ooh, okay, let me use one of these pictures as my yes, let me just use this picture, and then I'll select completed, I'll select this, and okay, I need to select, all right, can decide the color you want your time to be. I think I want to use this red. Okay, this is okay for me, that is okay, and then I just select this. Now the time positioning, you can select the time positioning to know where you want your time positioning to be. You can bring it down, you can take it this side, you can take it up, you can, but I am okay with the side it is, and then content above, you can decide what you want to be on this, but I don't have any issues with that, so I'll just click on save and use. Now when you click on save and use, you see that it is still on the 0%, and then you see that it is on your smartwatch. It is uploading on the smartwatch. So our smartwatch is been it's processing. Yes, we can see, and we are good to go. So this is me on our smartwatch, and basically whatever you want to do, team switching, you might want to choose, so this is this for this, and then let us see. Our smartwatch is perfectly connected, so this is how it is fully set up. It's not difficult to do at all. Thank you for staying with me as we set up the Hryfine application. Ensure to give us your feedback when you complete the setup of your smartwatch, and see you on the next one. Thank you.